Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Tailscale versus NetBird. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're looking to link your computers, phones, and home service into one secure private network, well, you're looking at the two absolute best mesh VPNs out there right now. Now, both Tailscale here and NetBird use the super fast WireGuard protocol under the hood, meaning your devices talk directly to each other peer-to-peer with incredible speeds. Now, completely bypassing the headache of opening router ports or writing complex firewall rules. Now let's start with Tailscale here, but because it is pretty much the king of pure convenience and polished user experience, setting it up is an absolute breeze. Now you just download the app on your device, sign in with your account that you already have, like the Google or a GitHub account, and boom, your machine are securely connected. Now it is packed with incredibly handy polished features like Tail Drop for effortlessly throwing files between your phone and laptop, and Tailscale Funnel, which lets you securely share a local web project with the public internet. Plus, Tailscale is legendary for its incredibly generous free tier, allowing you to connect up to 100 devices on a personal account. Now, making it perfect, the default choice for tech hobbyists and home labs who want zero management hassle. Now, what about NetBird here? Now, NetBird, which has evolved into the ultimate open source champion, giving Tailscale a serious run for its money. Now, the biggest win with NetBird is that it is completely open source from top to bottom, meaning you can self-host the entire coordination server on your own hardware for absolutely data privacy and unlimited free devices. Now, it is incredibly rich here, boasting a brilliant built-in reverse proxy system that lets you securely expose your self-hosted apps using custom domains and single sign-on security. Now, NetBird also shines with native zero trust features like device posture checks, which can automatically block a phone or laptop from the network unless it has its firewall or antivirus active. Now, they even recently rolled out a beautifully redesigned desktop app that makes managing everything a total joy. Now, to be totally fair here, there are just a couple of small things to note depending on what you prefer. Now, Tailscale here keeps its central coordination system closed source and hosted in their cloud, which some privacy purists don't love, while NetBird's enterprise grade knobs can feel just a tiny bit more complex to navigate during your first setup. Now, ultimately here, you really can't go wrong with either of these. Now, if you want the slickest, most effortless setup, where everything just works out of the box, well, Tailscale is the perfect choice for you. But if you love the idea of a fully open source ecosystem with powerful self-hosting controls and built-in reverse proxy features, well, NetBird is an absolute masterpiece. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.